Let me show you a dropshipping store absolutely crushing it with YouTube ads. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping the snippet you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a dropshipping store that is absolutely crushing it using YouTube ads. Yep, no Facebook ads. Yep, no one actually talks about YouTube ads and how to use them for dropshipping. So in this video today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal to you guys a winning dropshipping advert that is absolutely crushing it for these guys on YouTube. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how they're actually setting things up and they're actually landing page. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you guys can find winning dropshipping YouTube ads as well. If you are new to the channel, then make sure of course you drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on, and also make sure you drop a comment down below. I do reply to comments, so if you drop a comment down below, 9 times out of 10 I'll probably reply to it. I know you guys are going to get tons of value out of this video because no one's talking about YouTube ads and how to use them. So make sure of course you watch all of the video and make sure you stay to the end, and most importantly make sure that you take action. So first and foremost, let's look at the actual video. Now as you can see, what they are selling is the posture corrector. I'm not going to play the whole video, but they're selling a posture corrector, which is coming a lot more difficult to sell on Facebook because you know, nowadays Facebook very hard to sell products which are health related and sometimes some beauty products as well with the statements and claims that you make, okay? But on YouTube, you can get away with selling these kind of things all day long. That's why a lot of the make money gurus who, you know, sell you webinars and all these kind of things are on there because they can get away with stating these claims, right? But what we can see here is it had 15 million views. When I first found it, I got targeted because I was doing research around beauty products and those kind of things, and it popped up and it was unlisted. It looks like it's now been unlisted and just a public video. But you can see here straight off the bat, we've got a stop slouching, we've got some animation in there. And again, if you put these kind of things in Facebook adverts, I've found that a lot of the time you get banned, right? Going through it, obviously, of course, this is all custom content, made for men, made for women. You can see, again, different types, slouching, pain points, you know, proper posture gives you the you know, benefit. You can wear it underneath your clothes, just more benefits, more benefits, more benefits. You know, great to wear underneath clothes, work out at the gym, etc, etc, etc. And then of course we've just got the call to actions, okay? But obviously 15 million views. Now, first and foremost, if we just do some calculations on that, let's say, for example, they convert only 1%. So literally 1% of all of this traffic. Now, of course, this will include everyone who clicks the skip button and those kind of things. But let's, you know, let's lowball it and say they only sold, you know, they only converted 1% of these people. If we have a look at their actual website, okay, obviously this isn't a usual Shopify page. They're selling it for £20, which is probably around $30 or so. They're probably using a page builder for this. So if we go into inspect and we type in, let's have a look. Let's see if they're gem page. No, so it's not gem pages. Let's see if it's Shogun. So we can see here that they are indeed using Shogun. So we can see there. So we can see that these guys are actually using Shogun, which is a it's a page builder, okay? And using page builders is going to be very, very big for 2020, okay? Making stores look like they're not dropshipping stores. You can get a lot more information. It looks a lot more better. You can clear away, you know, any sort of get rid of any sort of distractions on the page and those kind of things. So going off that, and if we have a look at the actual information of the actual store, okay, we have a look and we can see that these guys are absolutely crushing it, driving so much traffic. And if you've been in the game for a while, you know that Little Style Shop, are a very big dropshipping, general dropshipping store, okay? They've been crushing it for a while now. You can see how many people they're actually driving to the website. Now, the most important, well, not most important, but if you have a look at the most striking, you know, information on this page, okay, was something that blew me away, was how much traffic they're actually driving from YouTube, right? Pretty much 98%. 98% of all of their traffic is coming from YouTube. Now, of course, you're not going to spend this much money to acquire this much views if you aren't making money. It doesn't make any sense, right? Now, the CPMs generally on YouTube are a lot less than Facebook. You're going to get a lot cheaper clicks, so it makes sense if you've got a general enough product, which this is. It generally is a very general product that can, apply to a lot of people, right? And of course, it is a winning product because everyone and their dog has pretty much sold a posture corrector, right? But one thing I actually want to show you guys is how to actually find videos like this. So lo and behold, I loaded up one of my videos, and of course, I am targeted by no other than the man himself, Alex Becker. Shout out Alex Becker, actually. He's an extremely sick marketer, by the way. So what you can do, one thing is you can right click on any video, the advert, and click on stats for nerds. And what it does, it gives you the video ID. And if you actually copy this, okay, those first ones there, and go into YouTube, and what you need to put in is obviously the main URL. But after this, if you paste in those stats, hit enter, you'll be able to see the actual YouTube video, okay? And you can see here, of course, this one was unlisted, exactly how that other one was previously. And this is a YouTube video that obviously Alex Becker is using, and he's probably got tons and tons of them, because I ain't even gonna lie, he remarkets the hell out of me, to be fair. But you can see here it's got 42,000 views. Now, obviously, the same as kind of Facebook, the same kind of rules apply. If something has had millions and millions of views, 9 times out of 10, it's making money for the marketer. No one's really gonna spend money on an advert which isn't making them money. It doesn't make any sense. So with 15 million views, you can pretty much bet that they're making money from it, okay? So if we actually have a look on how to set up a campaign, okay, because a lot of people don't actually know how to do it. So I'm just going to really quickly, briefly walk you through it. Again, I'm not a YouTube expert. I've used YouTube for personal branding, okay. Lead generation is super fantastic for that. But using it for ecom is a whole different ball game, which is something that I'm personally going to be using in 2020. So let me just quickly, briefly show you how to kind of set things up. Also, if you are getting value from this video, make sure you do drop a like on this video. Make sure, of course, you do comment down below. I will be replying to comments, so make sure you drop a comment down below. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on. So back into this, what we want to do is we want to click on new campaign, okay? And generally, I just like to go for this one here, and video, and you can leave it on this one here. If you just click on continue. Again, video campaign, you call the campaign name whatever you wanted to call it, okay? Personally, I like to go for maximum cost per view, which is the maximum you're willing to pay for someone to view your advert, okay? Campaign total, you don't want that, you want to go by daily, and again, you can just put in, whatever you want to put in, $10, whatever it may be. Delivery method, standard. If we have a look at networks, okay, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not on those YouTube search ones, and you're not in the partners display network. You just want to be on YouTube videos, and they're the ones that are when people, the annoying ones, basically, when people pretty much, you go to watch a video and some goofy guy pops up trying to sell you a dream. Those are the videos which are on YouTube, the ones that you want to be on. If you scroll down really quickly here, languages, of course, that goes without saying. If your advert's in English, just put it in English. Locations, this is where you'd put your locations, okay? And you can enter more ones there. Inventory type, I just generally just leave it on standard. No need to mess with that. Now, excluded types, generally what I like to do, and from what I've learned, I like to exclude, okay, embedded videos and live videos, because if someone's on a live video, they're generally not going to want to see an advert. Again, something which is embedded on another website, again, they're not going to lead to great conversions, okay? So take those off. Additional settings, if we have a look at this, devices, again, you can select certain devices. Again, TV screens, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to convert the greatest. So you can, you can unselect those if you really want to. Frequency capping, this is basically how many people are viewing so limit how many times someone in the ad can show up to the same user. So generally you'd want to put some sort of frequency cap in there, so that if someone isn't taking any action on the ad, on the video, Okay, if they're just clicking skip all the time and YouTube keeps showing the same video, then you're just wasting money. So you obviously want to put in there, say, you know, 2 times per day, once per day, whatever it may be. Okay. If you scroll down your ad name, ad group, so you want to put in an ad group name. Demographics, again, depends on who you're actually targeting. Yeah. Again, really quickly, we've got audiences that you can add in there. It's got ideas and, you know, beauty, health, technology, all this sort of jazz. And if you scroll down, keywords, you can put in keywords. You can put in an actual website of, you know, something, and it will pull up keywords. Placements. Okay, so this is something that's pretty cool and something which I've used quite a bit for personal branding is YouTube channels. So one thing, of course, you can search for, you know, YouTube channels. So if I search for myself, hopefully I'll pop up. So yeah, I could, you know, if you really wanted to pop up, also rest in peace King Comm. But if you did want to pop up on all of my videos, you just click on that and, you know, whatever it may be for whatever you're searching. So you do your research there. Bidding, generally you can put it at 0.10 to start off with. You can rise it if you're not getting any views, or lower it depending on obviously what you are targeting. And again, if you want to just take this for an example, okay, if we just take Alex Becker's video and skippable in stream, and again you'd put in your final URL and all those kind of things and just create the campaign. So it works similar to Facebook in a way, but again, YouTube is super underutilized and not a lot of people are using it, especially for dropshipping. And if you can master how to use YouTube to drive traffic to your store, okay, at a very cheap price, then providing that your store converts, you can make some great money. Of course, another thing that you can add into the mix is a lot of the traffic that you're getting from YouTube. You got to remember, you can literally just then set up retargeting for that specific product on Facebook. So when people are, you know, going from YouTube to Facebook, they're going to see your dynamic product ads. They're going to see your manual retargeting for this product. And that's a great strategy to, you know, amplify your multi-source channel awareness. Okay, so they'll see you on YouTube, they'll then see you on Facebook, okay, which works great. And of course, you're going to get higher ROAS retargeting people, offering discounts and those kind of things. Hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure you drop a like on this video. If we get to, let's say, 1,000 likes on this video, what I'll do is I'll do a course giveaway on my next video. So if you want to be in with a chance to potentially win my course, let's smash that like button. If we get to 1,000, I'll do a giveaway on the next video. Okay, make sure of course you subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. And of course, make sure you drop a comment down below, and I'm going to spend some time going through every single comment as much as I possibly can and replying to all of your comments. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. And make sure you check out the free Facebook mastermind group, that will be down below as well. If you are interested in learning more from myself, then make sure you check out my course Ecom Beast 2.0. So that is all from this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.
Yeah.